Cold exposure achieved through practices like ice baths, cold plunges, and other methods has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. New research shows that regular cold exposure could help prevent serious illnesses, including cancer. By promoting resilience in the body, reducing inflammation, and strengthening immune defenses, cold therapy may be a proactive way to support health and reduce cancer risk. A primary benefit of cold exposure lies in its activation of brown adipose tissue or brown fat, which the body uses to regulate temperature. Unlike regular white fat, brown fat burns calories to generate heat, which supports metabolic health and produces molecules with protective effects on cells. Studies indicate that when brown fat is stimulated by cold exposure, it releases anti-inflammatory molecules and supports immune health, both essential factors in reducing cancer risk. Chronic inflammation can lead to cell mutations and cancer development, so the anti-inflammatory benefits of cold exposure could play a protective role. Beyond metabolic benefits, cold exposure can directly affect the immune system. When the body encounters cold, it increases norepinephrine levels, which help reduce inflammation and stimulate the activity of natural killer cells. NK cells play a critical role in the immune system by seeking out and destroying abnormal or cancerous cells. Regular cold exposure can lead to a more vigilant immune system capable of targeting cancerous cells before they have a chance to grow and spread. This is one reason many health enthusiasts turn to cold therapy, as it can help the body maintain a ready immune response to prevent illness. Recent scientific investigations have revealed fascinating insights into the molecular mechanisms behind cold exposure's benefits. Researchers have identified specific proteins called cold shock proteins that are activated during exposure to low temperatures. These proteins, particularly RNA-binding motif 3 and cold-inducible RNA-binding protein, play crucial roles in cellular protection and repair. They help maintain protein synthesis during stress conditions and protect cellular structures from damage, potentially offering another layer of defense against cancer development. The activation of these proteins through regular cold exposure may contribute to long-term cellular resilience and cancer prevention. Cold therapy also supports antioxidant production, another key factor in cancer prevention. When the body experiences cold, it responds by activating its antioxidant defense systems, reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage DNA and cause cells to mutate, a process that can lead to cancer formation. By bolstering the body's natural antioxidant levels, cold exposure may reduce cellular damage and contribute to cancer prevention. Researchers have highlighted that these antioxidant effects are often seen in individuals who engage in regular cold exposure, suggesting a cumulative benefit over time. Mental health, too, plays a significant role in cancer prevention, and cold exposure can have profound effects on mood and mental well-being. The release of endorphins and other feel-good chemicals during cold exposure can reduce stress levels, promoting a more balanced emotional state. Chronic stress has been shown to weaken the immune system and increase cancer risk by reducing the body's capacity to fight off diseases. By helping individuals manage stress and maintain emotional resilience, cold exposure can be an indirect yet powerful tool in supporting overall health. Emerging research has also begun to explore the relationship between cold exposure and cellular autophagy, a crucial process where cells break down and recycle damaged components. Studies suggest that controlled cold stress can enhance autophagy, potentially removing damaged cellular components that could otherwise contribute to cancer development. This cellular cleaning process is particularly important in maintaining healthy cell function and preventing the accumulation of potentially harmful cellular debris. The enhancement of autophagy through regular cold exposure represents another mechanism through which this practice may contribute to cancer prevention. In terms of metabolic health, cold exposure can help manage obesity and insulin sensitivity, both of which are linked to cancer risk. Obesity in particular can lead to chronic inflammation, which can increase cancer risk. By promoting calorie burn and improving insulin sensitivity, cold exposure contributes to a healthier metabolic profile, potentially reducing obesity-related cancer risks. Many people use cold therapy as part of a broader strategy for weight management and metabolic health, helping to address these significant cancer risk factors. Another aspect of cold exposure that contributes to disease prevention is hormesis, a process where mild, controlled stressors strengthen the body's resilience. The brief, intense shock from cold exposure initiates repair pathways in cells and promotes resilience, helping the body prepare for future stressors. This process may improve cellular repair mechanisms and the body's ability to withstand environmental challenges, creating a less favorable environment for cancer cells to develop and thrive. The influence of cold exposure on immune function, inflammation, metabolic health, and mental well-being makes it a promising area of interest for those seeking to prevent serious illnesses, including cancer. By regularly engaging in cold therapy, individuals may strengthen their body's natural defenses, improve cellular health, and reduce the inflammation that often contributes to cancer growth. Though more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits, cold exposure offers an accessible and scientifically intriguing approach to maintaining health and preventing illness. As we learn more, cold therapy may become a valuable addition to mainstream wellness practices, empowering people to take proactive steps toward cancer prevention and better overall health.